I'm working on some Seiko 5s and some Seikos, and this was a crystal replacement because, as you can see, the old crystal here was cracked and the edge is loose and just basically hanging off. So I pressed in a new crystal, which was hard to find. Actually, it's discontinued, and I was able to find one on eBay. So with this case, you basically place in the crystal on top of the gasket, and then you have to press in the watch back after you install the movement, which is a 21 joule movement, which is really nice. So this is how I do it. So here I have my case back opener, and I have some engraving lugs or clamps from my graver's ball, and basically the watch slides in, you clamp it up like so, and those little notches catch the case very nicely once you lift the strap out of the way. So the case is protected in those notches, and then I made this tool, and that basically, I push it down, tighten the nut, twist the handle, and it presses the case back on without marking the case, and the watch does not slip around, so it's protected from being scratched. And once that's done, you can open it up and take the watch out, and that's it done. So this is a modification to the case back opener that I got. I made this adapter, which allows me to use these case back and crystal press Delrin inserts in my watch case opener. So that's the normal head that would be in there, and that would pop in like so. But yeah, this is a great modification to a tool which allows me to do crystals and case backs on odd shaped bits and pieces. So hope that's helpful. It also helped me press in this crystal, so with the lugs in the back, I was able to hold the case still. I believe I used these lugs out here, and that positioned the case, and then I was able to use one of the plastic Delrin inserts to press home this crystal into this Seiko 5 case. So a very, very helpful and useful modification to a tool, which saves a lot of money and, you know, basically adapts one tool to do many jobs, which is awesome. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something, and have fun with your Seikos.